Hi, this is Dario, and as usual, I do reviews of houseplants. I do this so that you don't make the same mistakes I did. Um, Now we're gonna talk about an indoor plant, and this was a plant that I bought at Ikea, and it was a very interesting looking plant, sort of like sort of meaty, sort of leaves, kind of like thick, a bit thick. It looks like it has some meat or something. It's not very thin. So I actually thought that because of that, it would actually um, live longer and all that. But this has been a major disappointment. I've only had it for a week, and it's already. I just had to prune it, and so these are the leaves I had that have died. And basically, it looks like well, the plant is called Curio ficoides. Curio ficoides. Curio ficoides. And it was bought in IKEA, and it does say that it requires little water. So I think that what I've done is that I overwatered it. So that's definitely what the problem is, because everything else I have it indoor as it says, and it does say sun, that it requires sun, but so it does have some sun, but uh, if it's indoor, how much sun can you give it? I mean, there's limited sun. So anyway, this Curio ficoides, I don't recommend it to you because apparently it's a fussy plant, and quickly, if you don't give it the perfect environment it needs, then it will die. And so that was our review for today.